So what are the different kinds of fundoplications available? The most common one and the gold standard is the 360-degree complete Nissen's fundoplication, also called as the Nissen's floppy wrap. Apart from that, you have a partial posterior 270-degree two-pay fundoplication. You have a partial anterior 180-degree door fundoplication. You have a Thiel 270-degree anterior fundoplication, a Belsey 270 anterior, which is transthoracic fundoplication, and you have the Linz 300-degree posterior fundoplication. So these are all the different types of fundoplications that are available, and the gold standard, however, is the laparoscopic Nissen's floppy fundoplication. All right. So what are the steps of this procedure? The initial step is the division of the pars flaccida or the gastrohepatic omentum. The second one is dissection of the crura and identification of the right and left crest of the diaphragm. Third one is creation of the retroesophageal window. Fourth one is short gastric division. Then to identify whether you have done enough of a mobilization, you have to do a Schustein maneuver and a drop test. Then finally you have to do a cruroplasty, and then finally the fundoplication. So you can see the port placement here. This will be a camera port. Never place the camera at the level of the umbilicus because we will be dissecting in the hiatus. So if you place the camera below in the umbilicus, you may not be able to reach that high up. So usually it should be at least a couple of centimeters above the umbilicus here. This will be a camera port. Then right and left pararectus, you have, this is your left hand working, this is your right hand working. You have an epigastric port for liver retraction, and then you've got an accessory port for traction of the stomach. Now, how is the theatre ergonomics? The patient is in the modified lithotomy position. The surgeon stands between the legs of the patient, and the assistant and the cameraman on either side, and the monitor is in the head end. So this is your visual motor axis, because you are standing between the legs. This is your operating field, and this is where your monitor is placed. Okay.